Hey everyone, before we dive into the vibrant life of Mutabaruka, I want to encourage you all to subscribe to the channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on fascinating stories about influential figures like Mutabaruka, whose work continues to inspire and challenge the status quo. Your support helps us keep bringing you content that celebrates culture, history, and creativity. Don't miss out. Mutabaruka, born Alan Hope on December 26, 1952, in Ray Town, Kingston, Jamaica, is a Jamaican Rastafari dub poet, musician, actor, educator, and talk show host whose multifaceted career has shaped Afro-diasporic culture. His name, meaning one who is always victorious, in Kinyarwanda, reflects his unyielding commitment to social justice. Growing up in Kingston's tough Ray Town after losing his father at 8, Mutabaruka's early life fueled his art's focus on black liberation, racism, sexism, and spiritual resistance. Educated at Kingston Technical High School, he trained in electronics and worked at the Jamaican Telephone Company until 1971, when he embraced Rastafari, adopting dreadlocks and an tall diet. His career took off in the 1970s with poetry published in Swing magazine, followed by collections like Outcry, 1973, and Sun and Moon, 1976. Blending Jamaican patois with standard English, his dub poetry became a powerful medium for political commentary. His 1981 reggae Sunsplash performance brought international acclaim, leading to albums like Check It, 1983, and The Mystery Unfolds, 1986. Tracks like Dis Poem, later featured in Bobby Conder's 1990, The Poem, showcased his global influence. Mutabaruka also hosted The Cutting Edge and Steppin' Razor on Jamaican radio, earning the title, The People's Philosopher, for his discussions on politics and culture. His acting in Life and Debt, 2001, and lectures at institutions like Stanford University in 2000 further amplified his voice. A staunch critic of institutionalized religion and advocate for cannabis legalization, Mutabaruka has stirred debate while earning accolades like Jamaica's Order of Distinction, Commander Class, 2016, and a commemorative hut in Senegal, 2010. Living modestly in the Potosi Hills with his wife and children, Ishama and Ishiwawa Hope, his lifestyle embodies Rastafari principles of simplicity and resistance to Babylon. His net worth, estimated between $1.7 million and $10 million as of 2024, reflects earnings from poetry, music, radio, and lectures. Though not as wealthy as some Jamaican artists like Shaggy, his wealth lies in his cultural impact, inspiring generations to challenge oppression through art and consciousness. Mutabaruka's legacy as a poet, performer, and philosopher continues to resonate, making him a towering figure in reggae and dub poetry. His work reminds us of the power of words to uplift and provoke change, a message that endures across borders and generations.